Hi everyone, Vanessa Webb, Stampin' Up Demonstrator Australia here. So I have a confession to make. I received this box a couple of weeks ago, but I haven't yet opened it. Mainly because I wanted to wait until the other demonstrators who are receiving their box had a chance to open it. And then I thought I would do a video with showing you what's actually inside the box. So this beautiful blue Tiffany's box came, and I am going to open it for you today. So those of us who are Silver and Elite and above with Stampin' Up have had the chance to register for a Leaders Summit, which was to be held in New Orleans over the next couple of days. And I'm kind of glad that we're not actually in Louisiana right now, having heard about the hurricane that's headed their way. So prayers and thoughts go out to everybody who is in that area, and I hope that you stay safe. But yes, I only just heard about the weather report, the forecast for Louisiana, the coastal areas. And but yes, that's where we were going to be, and of course that hasn't happened due to unforeseen circumstances, shall we say, this year, and everybody is in the same boat. But what Stampin' Up has done is put our conference online for us, so that we are still able to participate and network and glean all of the knowledge and from all the talks and everything online, so we can access that over the next couple of days. And they wanted to send us a gift as well, which they have done in the form of this blue box. So without further ado, I'm going to open it. So there's a little card that came with it, and I just wanted to show you what it says inside. So it's got the Tiffany embossed logo there, Tiffany & Co. I don't know if you can see that. And inside it says, "See you at Leaders Summit." So there you go. That's from Stampin' Up. And I love the colour of this box. I've only actually ever received 2 Tiffany's boxes in my lifetime. This is my second one, and it's quite a bit bigger than the first. The first one actually had my Tiffany's bracelet in it, which was also from Stampin' Up. And so that's something that I've treasured for quite a few years now. But yeah, this is the second box. So let me just undo the ribbon. I've heard a rumour that the contents of this box is breakable. So yes, so it has hopefully arrived intact. So let me just lift the lid off. This will be a really cool storage box for something, and it's very well packed, whatever it is that's in here. So I'm just going to unwrap the bubble wrap. It's got big bubble wrap and small bubble wrap. So I'll just lift this out, and there you go. So they've sealed it with their logo again, with the sticker. I'm just going to unwrap. Still hard to tell what it is. I think I'm getting some idea. Wow, triple layer bubble wrap here. And unwrapping this last bit. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. So there you go. There's a champagne flute. And what does it say? Made in Italy. And it's crystal. I believe there's a pair of crystal champagne flutes in here. Let me just turn this other one around, and I'll just see if I can make the crystal. I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah, there you go. How gorgeous is that? And there's a Stampin' Up logo etched on there. I think I'm going to have to put some bubbly on ice before tomorrow, which is when our leadership summit starts. I'll have that on ice ready to go, and I might share a glass of bubbly maybe with my husband, because yeah, he does a lot behind the scenes. And who knows, he may have even come to New Orleans with me if that had worked out this year. But hopefully one year soon we'll all get to meet in person again. But until then, we need to just enjoy these moments, hey. Thanks so much for watching, and I was glad to be able to open this online for all of you on the video so that you could see. I'll be back with some more inspiration a little later on. Thanks for watching. Bye.